Wow, guys, as you can see, I'm currently using Nokia on my Android device. Guys, as you can see, this is my Android device, and then I am currently using my Nokia on my Android device. Guys, as you can see, for instance, let me dial some numbers. Guys, as you can see, I can be able to dial any number from here. This is my Android phone, and my Android phone has automatically been turned to a Nokia device. Guys, as you can see. Hello friends, welcome to my channel, welcome to JT Tech. Today in another video, guys, I have an amazing and unique tutorial for you. And guys, in this video I will be showing you how you can automatically turn your Android device to Nokia device, or how you can possibly automatically turn your iPhone to Nokia. Yes, it is an amazing and unique trick that you must have to try on this tutorial today. So guys, as you can see, this is my Android device. As you can see, this is a normal Android device that I'm currently using, and today in this video I will be showing you how you can possibly turn any Android device to a Nokia device. So please, I request you that you watch this video till end. Make sure you do not skip this video for a better understanding, as I will be showing you step by step and all the settings that are required to be able to turn your Android device to Nokia. So guys, as you can see here, I have an application for you, and this application I will be showing you how you can be able to get this application. But guys, even before I show you how to use this application, please, if you are visiting this channel for the first time, please request you that you subscribe to our YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the notification bell so that anytime we upload this kind of content on our channel, you will be the first person to be notified. All right guys, once you open the application like this, it will be coming up like this, and then you have to click on this first one, and after you click on this first one, it will be loading up like this. And guys, here we have launcher Nokia, view notification directly from home screen. Yes, you have to make sure that you click on yes. Please, you have to watch this video till end for better understanding, so that you don't make mistake when trying to use this application. All right guys, here we have to click on yes, and guys, as you can see, this is the application, and then it will be bringing us to this interface where it is asking us to give permission to notification access. And here we have to click on this Nokia 5300 launcher. So we click on it like this, and guys, here we have to allow a permission by clicking on this arrow here, and then it will be asking you for another permission, and then you have to click on allow. So guys, as you can see, we have already granted permission, and then we have to go back, and then we go back again. So guys, as you can see, this is our Android device, this is our Android device, and then we can be able to use it. And how do we use this application? Guys, as you can see, our battery percentage is already showing up here, and we have our time showing up, we have our camera, we have the internet. Guys, as you can see, we have the games, and we have the music showing up here, and also we have the keypad where we can be able to dial our contacts. Guys, as you can see, we also have the menu, we have the settings, and we have the go-to. This is an amazing and unique trick today. This is an amazing and unique trick that you just have to try. For instance, let's go to our menu. Here we click on our menu in order to see the application that are installed on your mobile device. Here you have to click on menu. So guys, as you can see our menu have been appeared, and guys, here we can be able to see all our menus that we have installed on our mobile device. So guys, as you can see, here we have the gallery, we have the contact, we have everything that we need here. And guys, how do we go back? We can be able to click on this red button to go back, and then we have the minimize, and then we have the dial. For instance, if you want to call, you can be able to dial any number from here. Guys, as you can see, this is the dial, and then we have the delete saying appearing here, we have the save. So guys, as you can see, this is how we can be able to use this application. This is how we can be able to use this application. You can be able to use music on this particular application too. And again, for instance, let's go back. You can be able to flip down. Guys, as you can see, I have flipped down. Just have to click and then hold, then you flip down, and then you can be able to do it again. You can be able to flip it up again. So guys, this is the application, and the application is so simple, guys. The application is so simple to use. You don't have to stress, you don't need any tech idea in order to use this application. Don't forget, you can be able to use your menu, especially if you click on this button here, you can be able to use the menu. Please, before we continue, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. So guys, as you can see, this is the application. You can be able to find anything from here. You can be able to find anything from here. And guys, how do we get this application? If you are using Android, you can be able to go to your Play Store, and once you click on your Play Store like this, it will become open up like this, and this is the application. Let me retype the name of this application so you can be able to understand very well. And once you open here, you have to search, and here you have to search Nokia 3500 launcher. Nokia 3500 launcher, and we have many of them here, but not all works perfectly here. This is the best application we are currently using now. This is the best application we are currently using. It is a new application, but more than 100,000 people have already downloaded this application, and more than 888 people have already made good ratings on this application. So guys, as you can see, it is an amazing and unique application. You just have to install. I will be dropping the link on the description for easy access. I will be dropping the link on the description for easy access. So please, if you found this video to be helpful, please request you that you subscribe, like, and if you have any difficulties, please drop your comment on the comment box. We are ever ready to reply to you. And please don't forget to like, don't forget to share with your friends. Thanks for watching, guys. See you on our next video. Bye bye.